to all the dear students. Chapter number 3, Rational Numbers, Part 4. This is the Part 4 in which I am explaining you exercise 3C, different types of questions. Some are word problems and some are multiplication and division questions. Now let us continue with question number 3. The question number 3 of number 4 simplified is minus 3 by 2 multiply 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5 multiply minus 10 by 3 minus 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 4. Now in this question students, I have to cut 2 2s are 4. Then plus this is 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. So now in this minus 3 2s are 6 by 5 plus 3 2s are minus 6 and minus 3 by 8. This way, first of all, we are solving our brackets. Now, after solving these brackets, we have to add or subtract this accordingly. So, minus 6 by 5, then plus minus 6 by 1, minus 3 by 8. Now, to solve these rational numbers, we have to take LCM. LCM of 5, 1 and 8 will be 40. So, LCM is equal to 40. Now, to take this denominator, we have to make it 40. So, I have to multiply here 8, here by 40 and here by 5. And the same number 8, we will multiply in the numerator like 8 6 are minus 48, 40 6 are minus 240 and 5 3s are minus 50 divided by 40. And then adding all of them because all of them have same sign negative. So we add up to them as minus 303 divided by 40. So this is our question number 4 simplified third question. So minus 303 by 40. So this is our answer. Now student, only one question you have to solve by yourself, that is first one. Now continuing with exercise 3C, question number 5. This is write the reciprocal of. Write the reciprocal of. So as I explained you how to write this reciprocal, I will show you now here. Students, I am taking here first number 2. This is minus 8 and its reciprocal is minus 1 by 8. Then we take number 4, that is minus 4 by 5. This is in magnitude. This is sign is called absolute value sign. So we do not take it negative sign, only 5 by 4. So what is the meaning of this absolute value? Then we do not take this as negative. It is positive value actually, and its reciprocal will also be positive. Next we write here number 5, that is 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So first of all we have to solve this by taking LCM. 5 3s are 15 is the LCM. So 5 2s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12. Divide by 15. So now minus 12 plus 10 minus 2 by 15. This is the answer. So reciprocal will be here 15 on minus 2. This is the reciprocal of number 5. Number 6, that is minus 7 upon minus 8. Students, whenever upside down negative sign, they will remove and it become positive, and the reciprocal is 8 by 7. So this way we can solve any question. When you are asked reciprocal, you can write it down. Now let us continue with question number 6. Question number 6 is divide. Students, we have already seen multiplication of rational numbers. So now let us start with divide questions. Now here you are having 8 questions in this. So let us start the difficult one. I will solve for you. So first I am taking the number, this one is second, 8 divided by minus 4 by 9. So here 8 will not change, it is same. Multiplication sign and then reciprocal of this. So 9 upon minus 4. 4 2s are 8. And minus sign also go in numerator now. 9 2s are 18. So this is the answer number 2. Then we take number 5. So in number 5, minus 5 by 6 divided by 1 upon minus 2. So here minus 5 by 6 as it is, division sign change to multiply, and 1 upon minus 2 become minus 2 by 1, right? So 2 3s are 6 and minus minus positive, so 5 by 3. This is what we get as our answer number 5. Next is taking question number 6. So 6 number is 65 by 12 divided by 13 upon 15. So here 65 by 12 as it is, multiplication sign and then reciprocal 15 by 13. 13 5s are, and they are divisible by 3. 3 4s are, 3 5s are. Now 5 5s are 25 by 4. So this is our answer number 6. Taking number 8 of question number 6. 50 divided by 77 by, so it means division with minus 25. There is nothing in the denominator, students, so we can always write 1 there. So now 50 upon 77 multiplying reciprocal 1 upon minus 25. 25 2s are, so this is minus sign also go here, minus 2 by 77. So this is how we get 4 questions I have solved for you of question number 6. You see, this is the answer number 2, minus 18. This is our answer number 5, 5 by 3. This is answer number 6, 25 by 4. And this is answer number 8, minus 2 by 77. So now I think you all of you clear with the method how to solve divide questions. Now let us start question number 7. That is verify that type of question. So here question 7 is verify. So what we want to verify here, x divided by y inverse, what we call is inverse, or you can take power minus 1. So x raised to minus 1 divided by y raised to minus 1. Now students, when I want to change this negative sign to positive, I will take its reciprocal, like x raised to minus 1, that I will show you here. So you can remember it. Whenever x raised to minus 1, then you can change at positive as 1 by x. Y raised to minus 1, you can write as 1 by y. So any number, whenever you are given any rational number like 1 by 5 power minus 1, so you can take its reciprocal and this minus 1 will remove. Okay, because minus 1 it will become plus 1 by you are taking reciprocal of it. So let us take this verification. Whenever verify type of questions come, means you have to show left hand side is equal to right hand side. But here we are given values, x is equal to 7 by 11 and y is equal to minus 22 by 21. So we start with our left hand side. In left hand side we have x divided by y whole power minus 1. So just now I will not touch this power minus 1. only substituting values as x 7 by 11 divided by y minus 22 by 21 power minus 1. So first of all, I will solve this bracket. 7 by 11 division to multiplication, 21 upon minus 22 power minus 1. So 11 here we cannot cut. This is 21. I thought it is 22, but now after taking reciprocal we cannot cancel it. Only we keep this as it is because we cannot cancel. This way we cannot cancel. Always numerator to denominator we can cancel. So this multiplication is 7 1s are 7 2s are 147, and this is 242 in negative sign and all power minus 1. Now as I explained you here that this is the rational number and there is minus 1 power. So we will take its reciprocal, minus 242 upon 147, to change it positive power. So here we have converted it. Now let us solve this right hand side. So I will write here RHS. In right hand side we have x raised to minus 1 divided by y raised to minus 1. So x is given as 7 by 11 power minus 1. Y is minus 22 by 21 power minus 1. So here we will take reciprocal of it to change this minus 1 as plus 1. So 11 by 7. Now no need to write any power. Then division sign, 21 by minus 22. Again no need to write this minus 1 as we have taken reciprocal first. Now 11 by 7 as it is, division converted as multiplication, and take the reciprocal of this. So again you can see we can not change it any more. So we write here this is minus 242 divided by 147. So you can check, students, the answers we get on left hand side is same as answer we get on right hand side. It means we have verified our left hand side and right hand side, and so they are equal. It means our question number 7 answer is also completed. Let us start question number 8. The question is divide the reciprocal of 2 by 5 multiply minus 10 by 3 by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So first of all we have to solve this multiplication. For that 5 2s are and 2 2s are minus 4 by 3. I have solved this multiplication. Then this is the bracket we are given, that also I have solved by taking its LCM. So 3 multiplied here and 2 here. LCM is 6. So this will be 3 minus 2 by 6. It means is equal to 1 by 6. Now what the question is that divide the reciprocal of this. It means reciprocal of this is 3 upon minus 4 divided by 1 by 6. So here 3 upon minus 4 multiply 6 by 1, and then we cancel it. 2 2s are 3 2s are. So we get minus 3 3s are 9 by 2. So this way, first of all solving separately the multiplication and the bracket, and then read the question again, that divide the reciprocal of this is 3 upon minus 4 by this bracket. The answer of this bracket is 1 by 6. So that you can solve this division by this method to get our answer as minus 9 by 2. So now let us continue exercise 3C, question number 9. So I am reading question and explaining you. So pay attention. The product of two rational numbers is minus 35 by 18. And if one of the numbers is 5 by 12, find the other. So here we want to find the number. So let the number be x. Whenever we are given one number and we want to find the other, we will suppose as x. Now one number is 5 by 12. Product means multiplication with the another number x, which we have supposed is equal to, the product is given in the question 35 by 18. So we want to find the value of x here. For that, x is equal to minus 35 by 18 as it is, and this 5 by 12 we take on other side, so it will go like this, we cross, or you can say we convert this as the reciprocal. So this is 5 by 12, it will convert it to 12 by 5. Now we cut it as 5 sevens are, and this is 2 nines are, 2 six are, 2 threes are, 2 threes are, and 3 threes are. Okay, so x value I get here is minus 7 twos are, minus 14 by 3. So this is the other number we found here for the answer number 9. Now next question 10. So this is our answer number 9. I am highlighting, this is minus 14 by 3. Now let us move on to question number 10. In this question, you see, by what number should minus 55 by 18 be divided to get minus 22 by 9? So by what number? Again we want to find the number. So let the number be x. So now what number should minus 55 by 18 be divided? This number should be divided by x to get is equal to minus 22 by 9. So again, this is the number given in the question. By that number we will divide by the number which we want to find out. So we get as answer minus 22 by 9. So now to solve this, first of all on left side, I take division to multiplication and reciprocal of x. So that will be 1 by x is equal to minus 22 by 9. So now this 1 by x I keep here only, and this minus 22 by 9 also kept here. This minus 55 by 18 go this side by reciprocal. So taking reciprocal of minus 55 by 18 as 18 upon minus 55. So now cutting this, 9 twos are 18, 11 twos are 11, 5s are. It means we get 2 twos are 4 by 5. Also minus minus it get plus answer. So this is 1 by x we found as 4 by 5. But we want x value, no, because we have supposed as x. So for that x we want, so we have to take reciprocal again. So 5 by 4. This is the number by which if we divide the given number minus 55 by 18, so that we get minus 22 by 9. So this is our final answer of question number 10. So in these two questions 9 and 10, in one question what we have seen that product when given, so how to find the number, and when division given, how to find the number which is not known to you. Now let us continue with question number 11. In this question, how many pieces of tape 3 integer 4 by 7 centimeter long? It means that is the piece of tape. So I am writing here piece of tape. The size of piece of tape is 3 integer 4 by 7 centimeter. So we can just change it into improper, like 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 25 by 7 centimeter. Now the next line is this many this centimeter long can be cut from a long tape which is 1 meter. So the tape size is given 1 meter and 75 centimeter. So first of all I will convert this into centimeter. This is 1 meter, it means 100 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. So total become 175 centimeter. So this is the length of the tape and we want to cut this size pieces from this long tape. So it means whenever students some big thing is given, आपको एक बड़ा रोप दिया है और उसमें से छोटे छोटे पीसेस करना है, उसका मीनिंग है कि हमें कुछ डिवाइड करना है, कुछ छोटा बनाना है. छोटा बनाना है तो उसका मीनिंग है डिवीजन आएगा, right? So how many means number of pieces we want to find. Number of pieces we get is equal to the tape size, that is 175 divided by 25 by 7. See again, this is a long tape given to us which is of length 175 centimeter, जिसमें से हम छोटे छोटे पीसेस काट रहे हैं जो है 25 by 7 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ के. तो हमें फाइंड करना है कितने पीसेस बनेंगे. It means number of pieces we want to find out. So from the total size of the tape, I am dividing here the piece of the tape. So here 175 as it is. Division sign will change to multiplication and then we take the reciprocal. This is 25 by 7's reciprocal is 7 by 25. Now we can cancel this by 5 5s are 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 5 7s are. It means 7 7s are 49 number of pieces. We can find out which is our final answer of question number 11. So here how many number of pieces we get? They are 49. So understood students how to solve whenever some big thing is given and you want to find the small pieces from it. Now let us continue with question number 12. So in question number 12, the cost of 5 integer 1 by 3 meters of cloth. So that is the length of the cloth in meters given. Okay, is rupees 85 integer 1 by 3. So now I am writing here length of cloth given to us, that is 5 integer 1 by 3 meter. So converting it into mixed to improper fraction, what I get here, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 meter. Now next is given the cost. Cost is given is rupees 85 integer 1 by 3. So again convert it into improper. So 5 3s are 15, 25. So that will be 256 by 3 rupees. Okay. So now students, what we want, that find the cost of cloth per meter. 1 meter cloth का प्राइस फाइंड करना है. सी यहाँ पे हमको लेंथ ऑफ क्लोथ, एक बड़ा लंबा क्लॉथ दिया है जो कि है 16 by 3 मीटर लॉन्ग और उसका कॉस्ट भी दिया है रुपीज 85 इंटीजर 1 by 3. Okay, so that also I have converted into mixed to improper fraction. Now we have to find 1 meter cloth cost. So for that I will put here that 16 by 3 meter cloth, 16 by 3 meter cloth cost is rupees 256 by 3. So 1 meter cloth, how much cost? So in this way we have to multiply this and divide by this. So 256 divided by 3 multiply 1 divided by, so I put here division sign, 16 by 3 like this. Okay, so now this division, how do we solve? We multiply here and take the reciprocal of this. So here 256 by 3 multiplied 3 by 16. So this 3 get cancelled and 16 are 256. So that is rupees 16 is the answer of 1 meter cloth. It means we get our final answer, that is 1 meter cloth is rupees 16. So now you understand कि जब हमें बड़ा लंबा चीज दिया है, कोई भी यहाँ पे क्लॉथ दिया है, उसका कॉस्ट भी दिया है और आपको 1 मीटर का प्राइस फाइंड करना है, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू डिवाइड, यू हैव टू टेक द मीटर क्लॉथ एंड देन you have to divide it with the rupees you are given here. Okay, so likewise you get your 1 meter cloth cost rupees 16. So here you understand question number 11 and 12. Now let us continue question number 13. Students, this is also very important to understand now. Here the question is express the rational numbers as a decimal means you want to convert the rational numbers into decimal. So I will show you method here. Here are 5 questions. So let us solve last 3 questions, or as you wish, which questions you want I can show you. First of all, let us take question number 2, that is 1 by 8. So हमको ये नंबर को डेसिमल में शो करना है, तो इसके लिए the first method I will show you, that is easier, and there are 2 methods actually, students. Okay, so I will show you the method which is given in your textbook. Okay, that second method we will learn later. So here we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. It means 1 inside and 8 outside. Always remember, some students make mistake here. ये जो ऊपर का 1 है वो हमेशा अंदर लिखना है और नीचे जो 8 है वो बाहर लिखेंगे. अब हमें पता है कि 1 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 8, तो हमें यहाँ एक पॉइंट लगाना है और 0 पॉइंट लगा देंगे ऊपर, तो यहाँ बन गया 10. तो 8 1 जा 8. So I subtract it, so I get 2 here. One more 0 I can put here, so that 8 2 जा 16 I get. By subtraction I get here 4 and one more 0 I put here, so I get 8 5 जा 40. So like this way we get our decimal representation as 0.125. So this is the answer of 1 by 8 as decimal representation, students. So the method you understand, only division you have to take. But whenever it is not possible to divide, what you have to do? This way you have to solve. Now I am taking next question, question 4. So here I am showing you number 4 question. In this question you see that minus 9 by 40, it is minus 9 by 40. So for that I will take, first of all, negative sign we do not take, 9 inside and 40 outside. Or you can do one more thing here. You see -9, ये 40 कैसे बनता है? 4 × 10 करके, है ना। तो पहले हम इसका आंसर निकालेंगे -9/4 का, और फिर ये 10 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक दैट विल बी वेरी इजियर फॉर यू. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ. यू सी, ये 9 को हम 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं, तो 4 1 = 4, फिर 5 रह जाएगा, फिर पॉइंट रख देंगे, तो यहाँ पे 0 लिख सकते हैं. अब 4 6 नो, नॉट 4 6 wait, here is 5, no, so we can take 4 2s 8. Actually here you see 4 2s 8, so here only 1 remains. Now we can put point here and 0 here, so 4 2s 8 again. So again by subtraction we get 2, and we can put one more 0. 4 5 20. It means we get answer here as -2.25, which is the answer of 9/4. अब उसके नीचे अगर 10, ये 10 जो बचा है वो लगा देंगे, तो आपको पता है कि इससे डिवाइड करने से ये पॉइंट जो है लेफ्ट साइड चला जाएगा. इट मीन्स 0.225. ओके, सो 40 बहुत बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा, उससे डिवीजन आपको बहुत ज्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा, और ये बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, 9 को 4 से डिवाइड कर लेंगे पहले, और फिर ये 10 जो है वो हम डेसिमल प्लेस ऐसे मूव कर देंगे. तो 0.225 इज अवर फाइनल आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question 13 का 4th one. So understood students how to convert rational numbers as decimal. Now let us take question number 13, 5 number. 5 number is 35/16. So we will show the decimal representation of this number. For that I will write 35 inside and 16 outside. You see, now we have 16 table, so 16 2s are 32, that I will subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Now 16 and this is 3, so I should put here point and put 1 0. So 16 2s are 32, which I cannot put here, so I write here 16 1s are 16. So by subtraction 10 minus 6 4, 2 minus 1 1. So I get one more 0 here, so 140. So now in 16 table, 16 9s are 144. So we can put 16 8s are, that is 128. Subtracting 10 minus 8 2, 3 minus 2 1, and one more 0. So now 16 5s are 80 and 16 6s are. We write here. Now I can take 16 7s are 112. Subtracting we get here 8. You see like this, and one more 0. For that I get here 16 5s are 80. So now we can complete this division here, and the final answer we found here is 2.1875. You see here, this is 5 here, 7 8 1.2. So now understood students how to get the decimal representation of any rational number. Now let us start question number 14. Question number 14 is express the rational number as a decimal as 3 dp. 3 dp means 3 decimal place. So here we are already given that how many decimal place we have to find out, up to 3 decimal place. So we write, I will solve last 3 numbers. So third question I am taking 602 divided by 31. So students, let us solve this by division. So here first of all 602 divided by 31. So you see, first is we take 2 digit 60 and 31 twos are will be 62. So I take 31 ones are, so that 10 minus 1 9 and here 5 minus 3 2, 292. Then again you can take 31's table. It will be better for you, you write 31's whole table so that you can put your number here correctly. So I am taking suppose 6. So 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, 186. Then 31 sevens are 217. 31 eights is 248 and 31 nines is 279. You see, so that will go here. 31 nines are 279. Taking subtraction, 12 minus 9 3. Here 8, 8 minus 7 1. Now you see, it is not possible that 31 from 31 13 is divisible. So I put here point, and so here we can put 0. So 130. So that will come. You see, next is 31 fours are, if I take 124. This will come here as 31 fours are 124. So now 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now again I put one more 0. So I can take 31 ones are 31 again. Subtracting, I get, this is 29. Again I can put one more 0 here. So I get 290. And 290, the smaller number is 9s are. So 279, I can put here 279, and subtracting I get here 1 3 13. So again I can put 0, and 130 smaller number is 4s are. So you can see now students, this number are repeating. So up to 4th place I have found here, and what the question is, we want up to 3 decimal place. So this is my rough work. So our final answer is up to 3 decimal place, and that is equal to 19.419. So this is our rational numbers up to 3 decimal place. Question number 14, third one. So understand now, up to 3 places, how can you find out? One more thing students, you can see these numbers, that 419, then again 4, then 19. It will repeatedly coming. It means this answer here we have to put the dots. These numbers are not ending, so they are continuing. So for continuation, you can put the dots here after the 3 digits. So it will show that this process of this division is not completed. Now taking question number 14, number 4. So here number 4 we are given as 6 integer 4 by 7. So now we show decimal representation of this number. So first of all, I will change this mixed fraction to improper. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46 upon 7. Now we will show it division here. 46 divided by 7. So 7 6 are 42. Right? So now here we left with 4. Now we put here dot, decimal place, and here 0. 7 5s are 35. Minus 5 will left 0. Now 7 sevens are 49. So 1 left. Put 0. 7 ones are 7. So 3 left. So already we get 3 places, but let us take one more. So 3 0. So now 7 fours are 28. Okay. So likewise students, we found our answer up to 3 places. So I write it down here as 6.571 and dot dot dots. Why dots? Because it shows that this process of division is not end. उसका end आया नहीं है, वो continuous process है. It is still continuing. If you move further, you will get more numbers. So, but here in the question, you want up to 3 decimal place. I have written 6.571 and then kept dots. Now taking question 14 number 5. So that is minus 9 integer 11 by 21. This is the question 5. First of all, we take its improper fraction. So minus 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 189 plus 11. So we get 200. Minus 200 by 21. This is what I found by converting our mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now we have to divide this. So let us start here. This is 21 outside and 200 inside. Okay. So first of all, you see, if you take 2 digits only, so 20 is the smaller than 21. So we cannot divide like that. So I have to take 3 digits only. For that, I will take here 21 stable. So 21 5s are 105. So I take 21 8 ja 168. 21 9s are 189. So I think that will be near to it. So 21 9s are 189. Subtraction. So that we get 11. So I put here point and 10. So 110. So 110. So I can take 21 5s are. That is 105. By subtracting, I get 5. Can put 1 0 here. So now 21 2s are 42. I can put. Then 8 remains. So I can put one more 0 here. So 21 3s are 63 and 21 4s are will be bigger than this. So I can take 21 3s are 63. Subtraction. So 10 minus 3 7 and here 1. So it will be 170 and the near value is 8 to it. So 168. So we get 2 left here and the process will continue like this. So now what is the answer we found here is, see, I am rubbing all these multiplications. We get our answer as minus 9.523. There is 8 after 8. So now you can round it off or you can take continuation sign like dot dot dots. Means this division is not ending. Next is question number 15. Express each rational number as fraction. So express rational number as the simplest form, as a fraction in a simplest form. So I will show you how to find simplest form from the given rational numbers. So here we are given some numbers as decimal numbers. You can see they are the rational numbers. So I am taking last 3 again. So third one is 52.54. Okay. So how do we convert this decimal number into fraction first? We can write 5254 and after the decimal point 2 digits. So you can write 100 as denominator. Then we can cut upside down. So they both are divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit are 4 and 0. So here 52s are here. This is 2 2s are 4. 1 remains, 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 1 remains, 7 2s are. So now this is 2627 upon 50. Now I think it is not divisible more. So we kept this as final answer. So students, this is our final answer. Third, do you understand now how to convert any rational number as simplest form? Now taking next one is number 4. Here number 4 is minus 129.6. So this number we want to convert in simplest form. Minus sign as it is 1296. After the decimal point only one digit. So we put 1 and 10 after it. Here after the decimal point 2 digits. So after the 1 2 zeros. Like that. Now you see both the numbers are divisible by 2. So I write 5 2s are 10. This is 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 remains, 8 2s are 16. So we get our answer 648 divided by 5, which is our final answer of number 4. So this way we can find our answer number 4 of question number 15. So now you understand the method. First of all, you have to convert the decimal number to the fraction and then cut upside down. Now students, question number 15, 5 number. This is the last question of our exercise 3C. Then there are MCQs which we are not going to solve. So now here, this is the number given to you in number 5. So we first change this number into fraction as 8 upon. Now after the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So after the 1 I put 4 zeros. You see like this. Now we will cut this upside down by 2. So this is 4 2s are, 5 2s are and 3 zeros. Again 2 2s are, 25 2s are and 2 zeros. Again here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5 2s are 10 and 0. The final answer is upside, nothing left, everything cut. So only 1, and in the denominator 1250. This is left with us after cutting the values. So here this is the last answer of our question number 15, 5th. So students, I hope you all understand rational number chapter very nicely. Whichever questions I have not solved, you have to solve by yourself as a practice questions. You have to see this method, see the video twice, thrice, how many times you do not understand the question, you have to see it again and again for your better understanding. And you have to solve rest of the questions.